Hello dear students, this is integration part 3. Myself Professor Vaishali Bharat Gholam. In this video we are going to see integration by parts. Okay, integration by parts. If integration contain product of two functions u and v. U and v are the differentiable function of x, then we here use the integration by part rule, that you can see here integration uv dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration bracket differentiation of u with respect to x into integration of v with respect to x whole integration with respect to x. Here first function into integration function minus integration bracket derivative of first function into integration of second function whole integration. This rule we call it as a integration by parts. Here when there is a multiplication of two functions, then we have to use LIATE rule. How to choose first function and second function? We need to use LIATE rule. L stands for logarithmic function, I stand for inverse function, A stand for algebraic function, T stand for trigonometric function, E stand for exponential function. Okay, now we are going to see the problem. First problem, integration x sin x dx. Here two functions. You can see x is one function, sin x is another function. X is the algebraic function and sin x is a trigonometric function. By rule of LIATE, algebraic function come first and then trigonometric function. So the order of the function in the integrand is correct. Means we use as it is. Then by formula of integration by parts, that is integration uv dx is equal to u integration of v with respect to x minus integration bracket derivative of u with respect to x into integration of v with respect to x whole integration with respect to x. Integration x sin x dx, x integration of sin x dx minus integration derivative of x integration of sin x dx whole integration. X as it is, integration of sin x is minus cos x minus integration derivative of x with respect to x is 1 into integration of sin x is minus cos x dx. See, minus cos x, x is minus x cos x plus, why here plus? Here minus cos x minus, will it be plus integration 1 into cos x is cos x integration cos x dx minus x cos x plus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Why c? Because it is an indefinite integration. That's why we need to add plus c. Next example, integration of e raised to x dx. Again, here are two functions. Okay, x is algebraic function, e raised to x is a exponential function. By the rule of LIATE rule, algebraic function comes first and then exponential function. So the order of the function in the integrand is need to rearrange. Okay, in the problem what is given e raised to x, x. Now we have to write down x e raised to x because we have to follow the LIATE rule. Okay, then by formula of integration by parts we use to solve the problem integration x e raised to x dx, x integration of e raised to x dx minus integration derivative of x with respect to x integration of e raised to x dx whole integration with respect to x. X integration of e raised to x is e raised to x minus integration derivative of x with respect to x is 1 into integration of e raised to x is e raised to x whole integration. X e raised to x minus 1 into e raised to x is 1 e raised to x integration of e raised to x is e raised to x dx. Okay, x e raised to x minus e raised to x plus c. Next problem, integration x square log x dx. By rule of LIATE, logarithmic function come first and then algebraic function. So, rearrange the function in the integrand. Then by formula of integration by parts, we use this to solve the problem. Integration log x into x square dx. Log x integration of x square dx minus integration derivative of log x integration x square dx whole integration. Log x integration of x square dx is x raised to 3 upon 3 minus integration derivative of log x is 1 upon x into integration of x square is x cube upon 3 dx. Okay. Log x x cube, that is x cube log x upon 3 minus here 1 upon x into x cube upon 3, x cancel, x square upon 3. We bring outside 1 upon 3 because that is a constant and find out integration of x square dx. X cube log x upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 integration x square dx. X cube log x upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 into integration of x square is x cube upon 3. 3 into 3, 9 means x cube upon 9 is the integration plus c. Next, integration e raised to x square dx. By rule of LIAT rule, algebraic function come first and then exponential function. So the order of the function in the integrand is need to rearrange. Okay. Then how we can write the integration? Integration x square ex dx, because as per the rule of LIAT, algebraic come first then exponential. X square integration of e raised to x dx minus integration derivative of x square integration of e raised to x dx whole integration. Now x square as it is, e raised to x integration is e raised to x minus integration derivative of x square is 2x into integration of e raised to x is e raised to x dx. X square e raised to x minus 2. 2 is constant, that's why we bring outside the integration sign. Again x e raised to x dx. X e raised to x dx already we have seen in previous slide. Accordingly, integration of x e raised to x is x e raised to x minus e raised to x. That is the integration of this x e raised to x dx. What will be the answer? X square e raised to x minus 2. Integration of this is x e raised to x minus e raised to x plus c. X square e raised to x minus 2x e raised to x minus plus 2 e raised to x plus c. Thank you.